On the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree. I love this tree, isn't it so beautiful? I love these twig trees this year. I think they're really on trend and they look so lovely, and it's a lovely thing to use year on year. And I created this idea, which is kind of a little twist, which is a partridge in a pear tree, because Dobbies are selling the most beautiful golden decorations. So here's how to style it in 5 easy steps. You will need a twig tree, a selection of golden Christmas decorations, including these stunning golden pears, bird decorations, which will be our partridges, feathers and other lovely decorations from Dobbies, a heavy ceramic plant pot, hessian or burlap or another festive fabric, kindling to secure the tree. So obviously our first step is to choose our twig tree. Dobbies do a range of these, but I just literally fell in love with the champagne one. I love the gold leaves. Cover the plant pot with hessian or any other festive fabric you have. You can secure with garden wire. So our next step is to place our tree inside, ensuring that we've got enough of the electric wire running over the side, and then I'm going to fill this with kindling to secure it into place. So when you're placing your tree within the room, it's a really good idea to have it kind of, so it's got a bit of space around it. A corner is always good, so it's not going to get knocked over. And make sure it's near a plug so you can plug it in and see the beautiful lights being all festive. So your last step is to hang with your decorations, which obviously includes your pears, your partridges and any other lovely golden decorations you've got. And the final touch is to put the presents under the tree. Doesn't this look absolutely beautiful? It's so delicate and gorgeous. I kind of want to keep it up all year round. So if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the Dobbies YouTube channel, and I will see you on the next one.